Alright, so I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and set up on my new folding camping table. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for you. Let's go take a look at it. Pretty cool. Let's check it out. Nice carrying case for it. Let's take it out of here. It's got your user manual for it. Just part of the bottom. More of it. With these. All right, so let's go ahead and actually set it up. As you saw, everything comes packed neatly in the carrying bag. Once you take it out, the frame basically unfolds on its own. You don't need any tools. Just open up the X-trim structure as you can see and it clicks into place. Then you roll out the aluminum tabletop and snap it into the frame. It's secure, stable, and takes maybe a minute or two to fully set up. As far as the build quality, it's made from premium aluminum alloy that's treated to resist rust, corrosion, and everyday wear. The tabletop is waterproof and easy to wipe clean, so whether you're cooking, eating, and using it for gear, it holds up well. Now, what makes this table really stand out are the adjustable legs. Each leg can be individually extended or shortened depending on the ground you're on. So if you're setting it up on uneven terrain like dirt, rocks, or a slope, you can still get a completely leveled surface. The buckle design makes adjusting super quick and easy without needing any extra gear. The stability is solid too. Thanks to the X-type frame design and the non-slip foot covers, you're not going to have any wobbling even if the table is fully loaded. And when you're done, it folds right back down, rolls up, and slides easily back into the carrying bag for transportation. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. If you guys are looking for a new portable table, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.